add food message missing or stuck? Here's how to fix it. If your Instant Pot Vortex gets stuck during preheat, never shows add food, or won't move past the add food screen, here are 3 quick fixes to get it cooking again. Step 1. Remove and reinsert the basket firmly. The fryer won't start heating until the basket is detected after preheat. If it's even slightly off track, it might skip the add food message or get stuck on it. Pull the basket out completely, check the rails for grease or crumbs, and reinsert it until it clicks flush. I use a crevice brush to keep that track clean. It fits right under the basket and helps the sensor work properly. Step 2. Cancel and restart the cook cycle. If the screen is frozen on add food or the fryer won't resume, press cancel to stop the current program. Then start it again and reinsert the basket when prompted. If you skip the prompt or wait too long, the Vortex may hang. Restarting clears the error and lets you start fresh. Step 3. Let it cool, then try a reset. If the error keeps showing up, unplug the unit and let it cool down for 15 to 30 minutes. Steam or heat buildup can confuse the basket sensor, especially if the last cycle didn't finish cleanly. After the cool down, plug it back in and try again from standby. If the message still won't clear after these steps, the sensor may be malfunctioning. In that case, contact instant support using the link in the description. If this helped you fix the add food issue and get the fryer cooking again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your basket rails tend to trap grease or food bits, I've linked the crevice brush I use below. It's safe for non-stick and makes cleaning the track way easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to add food.